Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day, and for today's trade of the day I will be looking at the dollar CAD. Alright, the dollar CAD has a very nice and interesting configuration on the intraday, but I just really want to focus on this area. Now what I have here is dollar CAD on the daily, and price action is showing that price is in a downtrend. Alright, we have a high, we have a low, we have a lower high. We can expect price to make a lower low. Now more than that, also if we were to draw an ascending trend line, okay, we see that the ascending trend line has already been broken, right, to the downside. We already have a candle close and an open right below this trend line. Okay, so we know for sure, or with more certainty, right, to a large probability, that we are in a downtrend. So let's quickly go down to the 4 hours. Now on the 4 hours we cannot see much. However, one thing is for sure is that we are testing a strong graphical overlap. Right over here there is a resistance, okay, and price is right below it. Okay, in close we can see that price tested this place many times as support, broke below, and it is a simple support turn resistance. Okay, so I just want to show you guys one very quick intraday setup, but we also see that there is a zigzag that we can find on the 4 hours, so we can use a Fibonacci extension, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, and the 1272 is here. The 100% is slightly higher. Okay, so since the 100% is closer, let's just use the 100% first as sort of a first take profit. Okay, so if we were to look to the left, the take profit zone will be around this area here, so there really is a spike. Okay, so I'm just going to use the take profit at this spike down here, and because this intraday we want to play a drop down to this level. So let's go down to the 1 hour. Around a 1 hour time frame, also I just want to point out, okay, if we are to take all this series of lows to show a trend line break, alright, I can draw a ascending trend line resistance, okay, a support turn resistance. Try to touch as many candles as possible without cutting the candle bodies. Alright, and also we see this leg high to low. We can use Fibonacci retracement, 0.1 to 0.2, alright, and open all Fibonacci ratios. Okay, the 23.6 falls in line with the ascending trend line resistance. Okay, so I'm just going to highlight 23.6 and 38.2, and also our Fibonacci take profit target at negative 27.2. Now we know that this zone is quite big. Negative 27.2 is here. If you look to the left, there really isn't any point of reference except for this spike right here. So I just want to draw a box. Anywhere in this area is a good take profit zone. Alright, so that's just something for you guys to take note of. Okay, so anywhere in this area is a good take profit zone. Now our entry is definitely at this pullback, okay, the ascending trend line resistance pullback. Okay, and very simply our stop loss will just be over here, so slightly above our 38.2 retracement level. Reason is because we want to give the trade a bit of room to breathe. So price, it seems to be pushing higher now, so this will be our entry. This works out to be about a nice 1:2 risk reward. Now last but not least, to put a sort of a nail in the coffin, alright, for this trade, we can use moving average to also confirm the direction of the intraday trend. Now 9 is too sensitive. Normally I use Fibonacci numbers like 21, okay, or 34. Alright, we see that price is holding very nicely. Moving average holds the trend very nicely. Okay, whether price is in a downtrend or price is in an uptrend. So this is the natural moving average on the 1 hour for dollar CAD. So now we're in a downtrend. We see moving average holding price very nicely also, so we can expect price to come back up to test the moving average resistance before going back down. So thanks everyone for tuning in to today's trade of the day. Wish you guys all the best. It's a new week, right? Trade safe, stay safe, and I'll catch you guys again. Thank you.